You guys listen. For the longest time, I've been wanting to get my hands dirty on another medium, and I found something that tickles my fancy, and it is forging silver. And I am so excited to show off my very first forged silver buckle. I used 925 silver that I acquired out of Arizona, and I melted it down, poured an ingot, rolled it through the mill, and frankly, it just soothes the soul, you know? And I can't express it, I have not been able to put it into words yet, what it does to the inner creative being inside me. It is exactly what I've been yearning for. I am instantly addicted to silver work, to forging it, to milling it, manipulating the metal. It's weird how it moves and stretches and squishes and forges and dimples and hammers. All that to say, I hope you enjoy this very first belt that I have incorporated my first piece of silver work into. This hammered 925 silver buckle is on a 1.75 inch red alligator, American alligator belly belt with cloaca that I inlaid white alligator into. We have white contrast stitching, and I even hand forged a belt keeper for the end of the belt so that when you buckle it on and you're going out for the night and you slide that bad boy into that keeper, you're like, boom, ladies, I'm here to party. And I went ahead and incorporated the 925 anvil signature snaps, silver anvil signature snaps into this belt, something that is near and dear to my soul. Spent a lot of time getting those manufactured and ready for leather products and whatnot. And I'll just show you kind of what it looks like. Now the belt is unfinished at the moment just because there's, I don't know what size to finish it out at. You know what I mean? So whoever buys this will be the lucky guy to, or gal for that matter, to choose what size to finish this bad boy out. And I'll just show you now, because there's no holes, it will not go through the buckle, but just look at how fine this looks inside that keeper. I'm sorry, I may not want to sell it, to be quite honest with you. I may just keep this for myself. What do you think, Nathan? No? Just sell it? Dang. Anyways, I hope you all like. I did put this American alligator on some beautiful full grain grade A American cowhide in a medium brown. Real excited, man. Thanks for looking, you guys. Be watching for this to hit the site. Bless you all.